Okay guys, good morning people. We have made it into Vienna, and the first impression right now that I have, it seems to be pretty modern and clean, and like so far the modernest and cleanest city during this trip tour. So right now we left our luggage at the hostel and we can't check in until 3 p.m. So we're just gonna go to the Belvedere Palace and check it out to kill some time. My second impression is that I almost get run over by a cyclist crossing the bike line, and in general I don't think they're very friendly people here.
Venezuela.
Not very happy right now. Oh, look at that. The Venezuelan embassy. Okay guys, so we got the tickets for the upper floor and we are dying to go inside and check the place out. Just take a look at the garden. Right now it's January and you know it doesn't look as green, but I will die just to have this garden for myself. So we went inside and really enjoyed the tour. It wasn't for that long though. The palace is not as big as it seems. There's lots of art, that is for sure. We got to see the keys, we got to see Napoleon, we got to see many more paintings, you know, realism, medieval paintings, sculptors. Definitely well worth the time and the 68 euros, but you're not gonna spend here the whole day, that's for sure. It took us about 1 hour, so it's 11:08 and we're gonna head off to the next destination right now, so follow up. On the other hand people, we decided to take a stroll through the gardens, and even though it's January and you know there's no green whatsoever, there's no water in the fountains, the place is pretty impressive. Just take a look at that if you guys can. We really have to come back here in the green months, so summer and April, and show you guys how this beauty looks. Asian for this city is that it's so fancy. I mean, just like any other capital, I'm seeing a lot of architecture and a lot of gold on the buildings, and you know everything is so modern here. Like, I'm pretty impressed. So we drove by Cafe Imperial and we are starving, but we realized that we are just steps away from the opera house. So we're just gonna show you from the outside right now, maybe from the inside, and let's just all take a look at this beauty here. Like I said before, it's not a state opera. I think we think it's a cemetery. Trying to find it on Google Maps. It's a cathedral. So let's just take a look at it, show you guys around, and just to remember, for this challenge, we're just doing this like regular tourists with no information whatsoever of what we're about to see. All we're doing is walking, and you know, from walking distance you go to place, all to be done within the day or less. The name of this place is Karlskirche, and it's the most outstanding Baroque church here in Vienna. And we tried to go in, but it's €8, and we decided to leave it at the end of this challenge tonight. Let's see, it's on the radar right now, but we are hungry and we want to go to the opera house, so let's follow up. First attempt to find something affordable in the city went okay. This is a rising crowd, €5.50, and then we got one beer. They sell beer here, so see how it goes. How does it taste, Jorge? Amazing. Looking forward to try it right now. I have to say that it's the best sausage that I have tried in my life. What about you? Yeah, 100%. And like, we're so happy that next to that sausage place, it's a state opera, which is the place that we were looking for. So now we're actually gonna go inside and show you the interior of that palace. Come inside to one of the guided tours, but it says it opens at 2 p.m. and it's only 1 p.m. so we need to wait a little bit. Let's just get inside a cafe, so we can just warm ourselves a little bit. Finding a cafe right now, but we found that palace or building. It's called the Burggarten or something like that. So let's just check it out. Everything, buildings, architecture, gold, and we're surprised because of two things. A, many places don't open on a Monday, and today is a Monday. B, the opera house opens after 2 p.m. C, where are the cafes? Like, come on, it's cold. We want to get inside and warm ourselves. Look at my fingers. So at this point, we're only looking for a cafe so we can just wait it out and keep on going. Take a quick break, go to the hostel, wait for 3 p.m. so we can check in. We are demolished from the trip. I mean, we've seen the city, still lots to show, but we gotta get some rest.